This is the YOSAKY 921 type automotive LED bulb. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual and the two bulbs. These are 921 type bulbs, generally meant for use as reverse lights on your car. These are a huge upgrade from the standard bulbs on your car. You've obviously seen the reverse lights on your car or somebody else's car. They're just on to let somebody know that they're backing up. But they don't provide one of the main features that they were originally designed for, to provide actual light. These are much, much brighter, and they're also 6000K, so a very, very cool white color, like a bright white kind of thing. You can see there's LEDs all around it, and an emitter on the end there, just like that. These bulbs are 3200 lumens per pair, so 1600 each. There's not much more to know other than open up your reverse light bulb compartment and install these instead. Let's go do it. Now everybody's car is different, so it's impossible for me to tell you exactly where your reverse lights are. You could just have somebody stand on the brake and put the car in reverse, and if they trust you enough and don't run you over, you could find out which one it is. This car, it's this one. So that's on the trunk lid. So we have to open the trunk, which you would have to do really for any of the rear lights. We'll open the trunk up and find where it is. See here, it's in the lid itself. So we have to get up in there. This car's got all these plastic buttons on there. Every style of them is different. How you get them out is really dependent upon which one you have. These you got to get in here with a screwdriver like this and pry out the center, and then the whole thing comes out. You got to do enough of those so you got enough access to where the bulb is located. From here on out it's pretty easy. There's two lights here. One is a rear marker light, or tail light if you want to call it, and this one up here is the bulb. Pretty much, once you've gotten to this point, you give it a twist and pull it out. Now this car already has LED bulbs in it, as you can see right there, but we're going to replace those. You just grab the bulb and wiggle it out, and it pulls right out. And now we'll get the new bulb and plug that right back in. Just like that. And now you put it back in and give it a twist. To lock, and you're all set. Hopefully you can see the difference there. The one on the right is the one that I changed. The one on the left is just like the one that I pulled out. Even in LED, it is markedly brighter. So now we're going to come back after dark and I'll show you what it can really do. So now I'll put the car in reverse. That is really bright. I'm going to shut the house lights out now. And look how bright that is. It looks like there are headlights on the back of the car. Really nice. And take a look how brightly lit the garage door is now. It even shines a lot of light into the garage. There is absolutely no mistaking that this vehicle is backing up. That is super duper bright, throws off tons of light. Not only can other people see you, but now you can see where you're going with the YOSAKY 921 type automotive LED bulbs. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.